Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see mutations in string, and coming to the problem description, we have seen that lists are mutable, they can be changed. Tuples are not mutable, that is they cannot be changed. Let's try to understand this with an example. You are given an immutable string and you want to make changes in it. See, they have given an example of a very big string, and if you want to display the fifth character in the string, then we can display with the help of string of 5. That is index 5, it will be displayed. The same way, if we are trying to change the fifth character in the string, then that is not done because we cannot change something inside the screen as it is, inside the string as it is. So, there are two approaches for this should be changed. The first approach they are saying, what they are saying is, you're going to convert your list in your string into a list. So this is a string, correct? We are converting it into a list, and then in that list we can just say that L of 5 is going to be, the fifth element is going to be K, and then we are printing the string with the help of join operator. Okay. So this is how we can do. This is one of the method. The second method is we are going to separate the strings. So taking the string, we are separating the first 5 positions separately. After that, we are concatenating the letter which we need, and after that, we are just making use of the next positions and concatenating them together. So these are the two methods which we can try to do this. So the same way our task is, they are asking you, so they have given a function. In that function, your first parameter is the string in which we need to do some changes, and the position at which we are going to do the change, and the character. So which character we are going to change. So I think we can try the second approach first. Yeah, so it is easy, right? So what I am going to do is, I will return string, and then what I should do, from first I need to do, so I no need to write the first letter. So till the fifth position I need to get. So position, in position only we will be having in which position we need to get the answer. So considering we will not take, like if it is going to be a range like this inside the list, the last element will not be considered, right? So only position itself we are writing. So from 0 to that position we are taking, and then that last element should be the thing which we need to add. So I am writing a plus operator, and then whatever we need to add is going to be in character variable. So character, and then we need to concatenate the rest of the string. So string, and then fifth element we have added the character, right? So the starting of the string should be from the sixth element, which is nothing but position plus 1, and then till the last we need. So we no need to write the last element. I think this is clear. Uh, just note a point that the last number will not be included in the range. Here if the position is 5, from 0 to 4 only it will be included. The fifth position will not be included. Because of that only we are adding the character in the place of fifth position, and then we are making plus 1 because starting number is included and ending number will not be included. So starting number we are including, right? So I wrote position plus 1, so that it will be automatically going to the sixth position and then till the end. So I will not write the actual till the end, what is it? Okay. So I think this is done. Let us run and see the code. Yeah. So we have got the answer correctly. See, this K is added in between. So yeah, so our second process is done correctly. Now let us check how can we do with the first example they have given. So first what they have done, okay, I will just comment this particular line so that we can try with this first approach. So in my first approach, first they are converting my string into a list. So list is equal to list of string. So I have converted my string into a list. After that, I need to say in which position I need to change. So L of position will be equal to K. K means character. Okay, so character is a variable, so no need to put double quotes. Yeah, so I have changed the current position. Now what I will do, I will join it. So string is equal to, what I will do, I will just put an empty thing dot join. What happened? So here is the empty thing dot join. What I will join? I will join the list. So we are converting the list to the string to list. That is perfect. If you want to convert a list to string, we will use this join operator. And what is the separator? We will be writing first. We no need any separator, so just an empty string, and then dot and then join. So which is the list we need to join? That is L. So I have written this correctly. Now I will return my string, which is again a string now. Okay, let us run the program and check. Yeah, this output is also correct. So we have discussed two different outputs with two different approaches. I hope this is useful and you got to know some information. If you are not aware of what will this join do, please watch the join video which we have already done in this HackerRank series itself, so that you will get a clear idea of what is this join going to do here. Bye bye friends, take care. This is Shravanthi.